Hello children. Today we are going to start with a new lesson of English grammar, that is lesson number 21, articles. Before we begin with the book exercises, first of all I want to explain what are articles in English grammar. There are three kinds of articles, that is a, an and the. These are the three articles in English grammar. A, an and the. First of all, I want to tell you what are these articles used for. This a and an are called indefinite articles. This a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called a definite article. Again, I will tell you, a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called a definite article. So what is the meaning of indefinite articles and definite article? Definite article means when we are talking about a particular person or thing. Definite article means when we are talking about a particular person or thing. Like suppose when you go to a doctor and you see, when you go to a particular doctor when you are sick and by chance you see that doctor in the market, you tell your mama, na, see, I have seen the doctor. What will you say? I have seen the doctor. Here I have used the word the along with doctor. Means a particular doctor. Not any doctor, but a particular doctor. I will give you one more example. He wants the pen. I have written here, he wants the pen. Means he wants a particular pen, not any pen, but he wants a particular pen. So here the refers to some particular person or thing. Here it refers to a particular person and here it refers to a particular thing. So that is why it is called, the is called a definite article. Now let's move on to a and an. And what do you mean by indefinite articles? Indefinite article means that they point out to any person or thing. Means here we are not talking about a particular person or thing, but we are talking about any person or thing. Suppose I say, I want a pen. I want a pen. Here I have used the word a. Means I want any pen. Not a particular pen. But I want a pen means any pen. Not any particular pen. Then I will give you one more example. Go to a doctor. Go to a doctor means again I have used the word a here, means any doctor. I have not used the word the here because I am not talking about any particular doctor here. So I have used the word a means go to any doctor. So this indefinite article means that when you are talking about any person or thing. Here we are talking about anything and here we are talking about any person. So this is what indefinite article means. Now one more thing is there in these articles. Where do we use a or an? Children, you know that there are 5 vowels in English. They are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in English. These are the 5 vowels in English. So, whichever words start with these 5 letters, like suppose ant starts with the letter A. Elephant starts with the letter E. Inkpot starts with the letter I. Owl starts with the letter O. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Many more words are there which start with A, E, I, O, U. So, whichever words start with the vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, before those words we always use which article? An. Which article do we use before the vowels? We use an before the vowels. So which article is used before the words which start with the vowel? An is used before the words which start with the vowel. So here we can write an ant, an owl, an umbrella, an inkpot, an elephant. So all these words are beginning with a vowel. So we have used an before them. So once again I want to tell you that whichever words start with vowels, before those words we use which article? An. Which article do we use before those words? That is an. And the words which begin with consonants, like which are the consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So all these are the consonants. What are they called? Consonants. What are they called? Consonants. And before these consonants, what do we use? Which article is used? A. Which article is used before these consonants? A is used before the words which start with consonants. Once again, I want to tell you that the words which begin with consonants, which article is used before those words? That is A. And the words which begin with vowels, the words which begin with vowels before those words, what do we use? We use an. So, in the next video, I will explain you more about these articles. So here we will stop and I will explain you more about the articles in the next video.